Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. On my last video I talked about selling female thrift blouses, the kind of fabrics to look out for when buying female thrift blouses. So today I'll be talking about kiddies. Now for kiddies, cotton is a very good choice for kiddies clothes because they sweat a lot, so they need something that is going to absorb the sweat or something that is even going to not let them sweat in the first place. And another thing that adds value to kiddies wears is being able to pair them, because when the parents look at them already paired, it will be very easy for them to know what these clothes are going to look like on their children. So the moment you pair them like this, the value increases. So for the ones I'm selling at a cheaper rate, it's not that they're almost the same thing. The difference is that I couldn't find a pair. I mean, I don't even have the time to find a pair for all of them. So the people buying them will be able to pair them. So when I bought them, they were not like this. I had to pair them myself. So because I've paired them, the prices are different. Let me show you some of the ones I've paired already, what they look like. So you'll understand that the moment you pair clothes, they have more value. For some, you're going to find gowns like this. I call thrift stores treasure stores because it is in thrift stores you're going to find very good clothes that are usually very expensive at affordable prices. Look at this. This is a thrift wear for kids. Look at them. They're all kids. See how beautiful they are.